freshly painted sitting on a private cul-de-sac. 2-bedroom 2 baths with split bedrooms with a great room. 1-car garage boasts loads of storage. New CPVC plumbing installed 1/18. You are just steps away from one of the 3 outdoor pools in Kings Point. Pet-friendly for small pet. Live in the wonderful gated golf community of Kings Point, where your second car is a golf cart with state-of-the-art recreation facilities, indoor and outdoor heated pools, and fitness centers. Seller will consider all reasonable offers.